If you clicked on this video, you're most likely interested in learning how to draw. So I'm going to give you 3 actionable tips that you can implement right now to start drawing. I can only speak from my own experience, so keep that in mind. I would start by finding references of characters, people, and other drawings that you would like to draw and start from there. Just try to replicate them by looking at them. No tracing. Again, this is my own take on this, so keep that in mind. If you want to go even more complex, do that with a physical object. Find something that you have at your disposal at home. It can be a jar, a cup, whatever you can find and find interesting to draw, and use that. And here is a key aspect. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Draw as many as you can without getting burnt out. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. My aim is to become a resource for anyone that wants to learn about drawing, painting, who knows, maybe I'll add some 3D into the mix. For some context, I'm an illustrator and CG artist that has been working in the creative field since 2009. When I first started drawing growing up, I would basically use a whole stack of papers. I don't believe my family was too happy with me using all the paper for the printer for that purpose, but they knew that I was really invested in it, so they encouraged me to keep going. If you don't know what to draw basic shapes. It can be circles, spheres, cones, pyramids, whatever you find interesting, and draw that. Why do I mention drawing what you see and repetition? Well, that's because once you start doing those things, your brain starts to create new pathways into the skill that you want to acquire. Tracing has a place, but to me personally, it doesn't help you as much as understanding what you're trying to draw. At first, you may feel discouraged by the results, but stay with me. It's a matter of perspective. Nobody starts doing something and hitting home runs left and right from the get-go. It just doesn't happen. The awesome part is once you start getting better at it, you'll get recharged every time you get a drawing right. I will give you an example. Growing up, my favorite cartoon character was Taz. You know, the one from the Looney Tunes. Well, I tried to draw that Tasmanian devil so many times that by the time I actually got it right, I felt awesome. So my takeaway would be this. First, start drawing from reference, live reference if you can, and if you're up to it, you don't need anything fancy, just pencil and paper. Second, make it a habit. Make 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour of your spare time and use that for drawing. And repeat as often and as consistently as you can. And third, I would say the most important one, don't let anything or anyone discourage you from drawing. If it's something that you really like and enjoy and something that fulfills you, go ahead and do it. Take right now a piece of paper and pencil and draw something. You'll be amazed of what you can achieve if you stick to it. Well, this is the first of an ongoing series that I want to create around drawing. If there's something that you would like for me to tackle, please let me know in the comments and I'll see to address it in the next videos. And as I said, if you haven't already, please subscribe. My goal is to add content as constantly as I can about what I know and want to share. Also, if you would like to support this channel, there are links in the description of this video where you can find merchandise with my artwork in it and a link to my illustrated deck of cards, Cartas of Venezuela, that should become available May 16th if you're interested in it. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.
Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fact.